Get paid a passive income by listening to the music that you love and never have to leave home. You'll be able to work for yourself, stay on top of your life, and get paid. This is the easiest way to make money online. Listen to music and get paid. With this platform I will share in this video, you can make $120.99 per 30 minutes. So, watch the video all through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. If you are a fan of music and like to make money from something you like, discover new music by independent artists for your playlists. Help new and upcoming artists by providing feedback on their music. By using a site called playlistpush.com. They pay you to listen to and review songs. To start, you need to sign up as a curator. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real organic followers on Spotify that meets all of the minimum requirements, such as minimum 1,000 followers per playlist, minimum 30 active monthly listeners per playlist, minimum 1% active monthly listeners per playlist. When you become a curator for Playlist Push, you will be given songs to review. You will then be given guidelines you need to follow when reviewing the song. After you've reviewed the song, you will have to submit your feedback to Playlist Push for review. Qualified playlist curators can earn up to $15 per song review. TikTok video creators may also make money on Playlist Push. Playlist Push has TikTok-friendly music. Your video must use those tracks. When uploading the video to TikTok, give Playlist Push a link so they may examine it. After verifying everything, they'll pay you according to their criteria. TikTok videos may earn $10. It seems straightforward, but you must satisfy specific standards to create TikTok videos. You need 30,000 TikTok followers, and they'll review your average views. You can also earn by inviting other people to join the site. You don't just have to invite curators and video creators, but you can also invite people who release their own music. You will earn 10% of the amount they will earn from the site for the first 3 months. You can get paid via direct bank transfer weekly. So, everything you've earned for that week will be transferred to your bank account at the end of the week. For TikTok video creators, it's a bit different. To receive your payout, you will first have to reach their payout threshold of $20. So, you will have to earn that amount before you can withdraw your earnings. When you reach their threshold, you can choose to withdraw your earnings via Venmo, or you can also withdraw directly to your bank account. The earning potential of this site is actually quite good. You'll be able to earn a good amount without spending a lot of time. If you have a good Spotify list or TikTok followers, Playlist Push can be a good site to join. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up and comment saying, I like it. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.